Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we have a quick 5-minute workout that doesn't use any equipment and can be done anywhere. It's gonna be a lot of fun. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little logo in the corner of this video. It's completely free and helps to allow me to make more workouts just like this one. All right, are you ready to get started? Because your workout starts right now. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So our first exercise is gonna be pulse, squat to kick. So we're gonna be pulsing and kicking, starting now. Pulse and kick. So we're gonna be doing each exercise for 30 seconds and we're going 2 times through. So we have 15 more seconds and kick. When you do this, keep your feet flat on the floor, keep your chest upright, and kick. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Standing bent leg back raises. So we're lifting, keeping balance, and we're lifting our back leg. Good. Keep balance, keep that chest up. Use that hamstring, use that butt. 10 seconds. And we are gonna switch sides. 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. And back leg bent, and up. And lift, and up. Good, squeezing those glutes. Keeping that chest up. Keeping that foot flat on the ground, 10 seconds. Good. Next exercise is big mountain climber. So we're gonna be here, big lunge and switch. And switch, 1, 2. Switch, 1, 2, 1, 2. And big push off the ground. Good, keep it up. And you switch, push through the ground, 10 seconds. Good, 3, 2, 1, and to the floor. We are lifting our hips up to the sky. And up and hold, and down. And up, and down. Up and hold, and down. Good, keep it up, 15 seconds. And then we are going back through one more time. 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. Back to those pulse squats with a kick. 1, 2, and kick. 1, 2, and kick. Good. Keep that chest up, and we are moving today. Very good. 15 seconds. 10 seconds left. Feel the burn in those quads. And big kick. 3, 2, 1, and balancing, and we are gonna lift our back leg, bent into the side. Here we go. Good, lifting it straight up, trying not to move your chest down, keeping that chest upright, and squeezing those glutes, using that hamstring. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. Good. Keep that chest up, keep that head up. Don't let that leg throw you off balance. Keep your core stable. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, into big mountain climbers. 1, 2, 1, 2, and switch high, and 1, 2. Good, keep this up. Really push through the ground. Keep that core tight. Good. Getting flexibility, strength, cardio. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And last exercise, hip thrust. Lift up and down. Up, hold, and down. And down. We have 15 seconds and then we are all done today. And hold and down. Squeeze and down. 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good job today, you guys. Nice work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you're interested, check out my other channels for more fun workouts. I'll see you tomorrow.